This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes, creators of the world's best repair manuals. Fix your car or truck the right way with our accurate and reliable information at your side. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete online manual at Haynes.com.
The PCV valve is located under the vehicle, next to the engine oil filter. Jack up the front of the car and support it on jack stands. Slide back the hose clamp, then disconnect the crankcase ventilation hose from the PCV valve. Unscrew the PCV valve from the air and oil separator. Screw the new PCV valve onto the air and oil separator. Make sure that the sealing washer is in good condition and replace it with a new one if necessary. Tighten the PCV valve securely. Connect the ventilation hose to the PCV valve. Secure the hose with the clamp. Lower the car to the ground